Hello guys, welcome to Tech Vitals. Today we are going to learn about the vi command. Vi command is the text editor in Linux. We also used the vi command in the previous video where we learned about the hard links and soft links. And vi is quite similar to the notepad application of the Windows. So vi is all about editing the texts in the file. So let's get started. Right now we are in the vitals directory and we can create a new file by using the touch command. Let's say the new.txt. So this new.txt is an empty text file. We haven't written anything inside it yet. So we can use the vi command to edit some texts. So let's start. Let's type vi and then the name of the file. Okay, now we are inside the vi screen, and if you don't want to write anything in this text and you want to leave it empty, then to exit this screen or exit the vi, you have to press :Q and the exclamation mark, then press enter. Then it will exit the vi screen. Now let's go back to that vi screen. Now if you want to type something, you have to press I first. Then it will take you to the insert mode. Now you can type anything you want to save in this text file. So let's type "Welcome to Tech Vitals. This is the lesson for the vi command. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. Linux is the best." Okay. Now, right now we are in the insert mode. And to exit from the insert mode, we have to press the ESC key, that is the escape key. And then if you type :Q and exclamation mark, then it will exit the vi screen without saving all of these contents. So to save these texts and to exit from the screen, we have to type :W and Q and press the enter. Now we have successfully saved those texts in the new.txt, and we can view the contents by either using the cat command. So these are the texts that we just saved. Welcome to the Tech Vitals. This is the lesson for the vi command. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. Linux is the best. We can also use the less command. And we can also use the vi command to see the contents of the files. And in the vi command, we cannot use the mouse to change the line. So even if we click anywhere, the vi command will not work. Let's say if you want to go at this 4th line, you can either press the down key and then go to that line, or for the shortcut, you can press the 4 key and then capital G. Then it will take you to that 4th line. And now let's say if you want to go to the 3rd line, you can press 3 and then capital G. So by using this shortcut, we can change the lines quickly. And let's say in this 3rd line you want to create a new line, then you can press O, then it will create a new line. And now we are in the insert mode. So let's press the escape. And let's go back to that 3rd line. And for example, if you want to delete this line or to delete all the contents in this line, you can press the C twice. So you can press CC and then it will delete all those contents and take you to the insert mode. And you can press the escape to escape from the insert mode. And if we type colon Q and exclamation, it will exit from the VI mode without saving the changes. So let's press enter. And now let's go back to the VI. So this third line is back here because we didn't save the changes. And now let's type some more text using the insert mode. So let's say CentOS is the distro of Linux. Linux is an operating system. CentOS is based on Red Hat Enterprise Linux. So here, let's go to the first line by pressing 1 and capital G. Now let's say if you want to find or search the words in the VI command, you can use the front slash and then the word you want to search. So let's search Linux and press the enter. So it will take you to the line where that word is. So it took us to the 5th line. And now if you type front slash and enter, then it will take you to the another line where that word Linux is. And again, to find the next Linux, you can type front slash enter one more time, front slash enter. So using the front slash, we can search the word in the top down approach. And if you want to search the word in the bottom up approach, then instead of the front slash, you have to use the question mark sign. So let's go to the top screen and let's press question mark and Linux. So now it took us to the last line where that word is. And to continue searching in the bottom up approach, press the question mark, press enter. Again, question mark, enter. One more time, question mark, enter. So that's how we can search the word inside the VI. And let's say in this line, if you want to change the word Linux into Microsoft, you can replace the word using colon S front slash, then that old word that you want to replace, that is Linux, then front slash again, and the new word that you want, that is Microsoft, then front slash and then G. And if you press the enter, then it will change that word Linux into Microsoft. But you need to be on the same line where the word that you want to change is. So let's say if you want to change the CentOS word into Ubuntu in this line where there is the sentence CentOS is the distro of Linux. So you cannot be any other line like this, and you have to be in the exact line where the word is. Then only you can replace the word pressing colon S front slash the old word, that is CentOS, front slash the new word that you want to replace, Ubuntu, front slash and G, and then press enter, and then it will change the word into the new one. And to save and exit, you have to type colon W Q and then press enter, and then you can check the contents, and these are the contents of the new.txt. So that's how we use the VI command to edit the text. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon with the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.